The Man Lion City is a symbol of modern public transport, blending innovation, comfort, and sustainability. Designed to navigate the challenges of urban mobility, this bus has become a popular choice for cities around the world, thanks to its efficiency and thoughtful design. With its sleek, contemporary exterior, the Lion City catches the eye. The bus features clean lines, dynamic contours, and large windows that create an open, airy feel for passengers inside. The front design is both stylish and functional, enhancing aerodynamics to reduce fuel consumption and emissions. Inside, the bus offers a spacious, well-lit environment. The large, panoramic windows let in plenty of natural light, while LED lighting adds a touch of modernity. The seating layout is designed for comfort and accessibility, with plenty of space for wheelchairs and strollers. Low-floor technology ensures easy boarding, making the bus welcoming for all passengers, including those with reduced mobility. The driver's cockpit is built with ergonomics in mind, offering a clear, intuitive dashboard and optimal visibility. This setup reduces fatigue and enhances safety, allowing drivers to focus on the road and their passengers. Safety is further supported by advanced driver assistance systems, including emergency braking and lane departure warnings. Under the hood, the Lion City comes with a range of powertrain options. The traditional diesel engines are highly efficient and meet stringent Euro 6 emission standards, while hybrid and fully electric models provide zero-emission solutions for greener cities. The electric variant, the Lion City E, boasts an impressive range and fast charging capabilities, making it an ideal choice for urban routes aiming to reduce their carbon footprint. The bus is designed with sustainability in mind, incorporating lightweight materials and energy-efficient systems. The regenerative braking system captures energy during stops, helping to power onboard systems and extend the vehicle's range. This focus on efficiency not only benefits the environment, but also reduces operational costs for transport companies. Maintenance is simplified through smart design choices, such as easily accessible components and a predictive maintenance system that alerts operators to potential issues before they become costly repairs. These features ensure the bus spends more time on the road and less time in the workshop, maximizing productivity and service availability. Passenger comfort remains a priority, with effective climate control systems, noise reduction technologies, and smooth suspension that makes every ride pleasant. Whether commuters are heading to work, school, or exploring the city, they can count on a reliable, comfortable journey. The Man Lion City is more than just a bus. It's a commitment to the future of urban mobility. By balancing design, technology, and sustainability, it sets a new standard for public transportation, proving that city buses can be both practical and innovative. As cities continue to evolve, the Lion City is ready to meet the demands of tomorrow's transport landscape, helping to create cleaner, more connected communities worldwide.